Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. This is teacher Mini. Last session we had discussed about geometric sequence, finding the nth term. Today we will be discussing about the same topic, geometric sequence. The second section, finding the sum of series. Okay, so we can start now. We all know that what is geometric sequence, how we are getting a geometric sequence. Okay, so if we start with a number a1 and repeatedly multiply it by some constant r, then we can make a geometric sequence. The number r is called a common ratio. So we need a1, a means the first term, r is the common ratio in the geometric sequence. And before also I explained what is the difference between sequence and series. Sequence means like this, you can see the numbers separated by comma, a1 comma, a2 comma, a3. Series means instead of comma you can write plus a1 plus a2 plus a3 plus a4, something like that. Okay. Arithmetic sequence, we have two formulas, finding the nth term and sum of series. Same way, here we have to find the formula sum of geometric sequence. Sn is equal to a1 bracket 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, and the terms, Sn is the sum, a1 means the first term, n is the terms, number of terms, and r is the constant ratio. One condition, r is not equal to 1. Okay. So in your book you can see another formula. Okay, that is a1 bracket r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Both are same. Okay. So you have to keep it like this. 1 minus r in the top, down also you can write 1 minus r. Okay, so we are using this formula for finding the sum of geometric sequence. Geometric sequence, nth term, an is equal to a into r power n minus 1, and sum of series Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. The second part we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so this is the formula. We are applying the formula and find the sum of. Okay, we can start with the examples. Okay, how do you find the sum of geometric sequence 2, 4, 8? See, sequence means the number we are making in between comma. If there are 20 terms, first of all you must write what is a, r and n. Okay, then you can write the formula. What is the formula? A into, okay, see I explained before, r power n minus 1 divide r minus 1. If you are starting with 1 minus r power n, you can divide by 1 minus r. Okay, both formulas are correct. Okay, which one you know, you can follow that one. Both are correct. Only one condition. What you write? First r power n minus 1 divide r minus 1. If you are changing 1 minus r, you can write down the same thing 1 minus r. Okay. Here you can write the a. What is a? Is equal to 2. What is n? N is equal to 20. And what is the common difference r? 2. How you got 2? 4 by 2, 8 by 4. Okay, so this is the way you can find the common difference. Only one term you have to divide and then find, because already it is written there. It's the geometric sequence. No need to check all the number. Only 2. Only one number divided by another number, finish. Okay, so you can give the values here. 2 into 20 power minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. By calculating, you will get this number. It's a big number because the sequence is going higher and higher. Find the sum of 7 terms of geometric sequence given that a1 is equal to 1, r is equal to 2 and n is equal to 7. This is a direct question. They give the values directly. Just implement the value in the formula. What is the formula? A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, 7. N is equal to 7. So, S7 is equal to A is equal to 1. 1 bracket 1 minus 2 power 7 divided by 1 minus 2. Okay, this is only the teacher can explain. Other part calculations, grade 11 you can do by yourself. You will get this answer. Okay, so we will go for the next question. Find the fifth term of partial sum of geometric series. You can see the word series and how we are writing 2 plus 6 plus 18 and like that. Okay, so we can start. What is the first term? A. What is the n? 5. What is the r? Yes, 3 divided by 2. Answer is 6 divided by 3. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we can write the values here. Apply the value formula. Sn is equal to a1 into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, S5 is equal to 2, a is equal to 2, 1 minus r is equal to 3. 3 power 5 divided by 1 minus 3. It's okay. Okay, from the question you must write a, r and n. Okay, first part is given with what is given, write there. Second, write the formula. Okay, third one, apply the values in the formula, then finding the last answer. So, you will get 242. This is the sum of first 5 terms of this series. Okay, so we will go for next one. It's a sigma. Sigma we will call like the sigma. N is equal to 1 to 6. 4 into 1 by 4 the power n minus 1. Okay, so we have to find from here what is A. A is equal to 4. What is R? R is equal to 1 by 4. Look at the term. Okay, from this is we called nth term. Ready? A is equal to 4, R is equal to 1 by 4. And what is the n here? Yes, n means the highest value of n, that is 6. N is equal to 1 to 6. So, n is equal to 6. Okay, so you can write the formula here. Sn is equal to a1 into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Give the values in the equation. S6 is equal to a1 is equal to 4. 4 into bracket 1 minus r is equal to 1 by 4. The power 6 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So, we write the values, we explain the values, write the formula, implement the value in the formula. Calculations you can do at a time, because you are using calculator, you will get this answer. If you want, you can write the decimal part or you can write the fraction, it's up to you, no problem. Okay. Okay, So we are going to another one. This is a special question. Given a geometric series with T1 is equal to minus 4 and T4 is equal to 32, determine the value of n and r if Sn is equal to 84. Okay, so T1 means term 1, T4 means term 4. Okay, so term 1 means according to us A is equal to minus 4. Ready? Okay, so we are writing A is equal to term 1 is equal to minus 4. We got A. Ready? Then T4, this means fourth term. How we can write the fourth term? We have a formula A into r power n minus 1. Nth term, yeah. So A into r power 4 minus 1, that is 3. A power 3 is equal to 32. Okay, then we can give the value of A in this equation. So you will get minus 4 into r power 3 is equal to 32. It is okay? Yes. Then we have to find the value of r. R cube is equal to 32 divided by minus 4, that is equal to minus 8, correct? Okay. R is equal to cube root of 8. Cube root of minus 8, you will get minus 2. Okay. You be ready with your calculator each time when you are listening maths class. So each time you can check it, what teacher is explaining, you can check in your calculator, is make clear. Okay. So question number, first part, you find r is equal to minus 2. Then second part, you have to find n. You have to finding n, you have to take the another condition, Sn is equal to 84. So we will go for Sn. Sn means sum. So you have to write the formula Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Give the values, which one we know. We can give 84 is equal to minus 4 into 1 minus 2 the power n, because we find r is equal to minus 2, and divided by 1 minus 2. Okay, so this calculations, too much numbers are there, so be careful with the calculation. 4 by 3 will go to opposite sides, become 3 by 4. You have to change. Multiply with 84, you will get minus 1 minus 2 the power n. Okay. So next one, the calculation of minus 3 by 4 into 84, you will get 63. So minus 63 is equal to 1 minus 2 the power n. Okay, take the 1 into another side, it will become minus 64. This is minus 64, okay. Minus 64 is equal to minus 2 the power n. Minus 64 means minus 2 the power 6. So n becomes 6. Equating the power together, you will get n is equal to 6. Okay, be careful when you are doing the calculations. Be ready with your calculator. Check by yourself, you will get the answer. Okay. So this next one, the last equation, the last problem. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 10, 3 into minus 2 the power n minus 1. Okay, you have to write A is equal to 3, R is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to 10. Okay. So we can write the formula because sum of 10 terms we can write S10 is equal to 3 bracket 1 minus 2 the power 10 divided by 1 minus 2. Okay. So when we will get this 3 bracket 1 minus 2 power 10 means 2024 divided by 1 minus 2 is 3. Okay. So you will get minus 1023. 3 and 3 you can cancel, 1 minus 2024 become minus 1023. Okay, so here nothing new, apply the write the formula, apply the values and solve. Okay, so before leaving this session we have to summarize the formula again. Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so you will get more worksheets in Google Classroom. Please solve it and send it. I hope you understand this topic well. Thank you so much and have a nice day.